Alright, you're welcome back to this episode. In this training, we are going to discuss QuickBooks preferences. So now, QuickBooks Desktop preferences allow you to customize the software to fit your business need. As a matter of fact, in this class, I'm going to set my own preference to suit this training. So now, let's get started. When you look at my screen now, I'll cancel this Accountant Center. I didn't need it for now, so I'll cancel that. Yeah. And the next thing that I have to do here is that I'll go back to my edit and then I'll select preferences. The preferences is here and then I'll select it. Now, starting from accounting preferences, as you can see that we have my preference and company preference. So I'll go to company preference. Then all I want is that I need to uncheck this warning. I would update warning because QuickBooks will usually send you warning, be it 90 days or 30 days in the future. So now I will just uncheck that and then I will click OK. But however, if we need the chart of account number, we can check this one, but we are still coming to that later. So now, for now, I'll select OK. So it means that I have unchecked the date warning. So I'll go back to my preference again and then I'll go to general, or let me go to desktop view. Under this desktop view, I want it, don't save the desktop. So I'll check this, don't save the desktop. Then all I have to do now is to move to the next one. So I don't want to click OK, because once I clicked my OK, it will leave this interface. So all I have to do is just to move to the next one that I want to set. So automatically it will ask, you made changes in desktop view preferences. Do you wish to save them? Then I'll click yes and move to the general one. So under the general one, all I have to do here is that I will check this turn off pop-up messages, because I don't want any messages from desktop, from QuickBooks. So I'll click that and then move to the next one, which is my item and the inventory. I'll click this one. So I'll save this item and the inventory. Since we are starting with manufacturing company and we will be what? We'll now be tracking all our inventory. So we need to hone these preferences. So then the next thing now is that I'll go to my company and then I will check inventory and then purchase orders are active. So I'll check that, then I'll move to the next one, which will be multiple currency. So I'll save this as well. Under this multiple currency, I want to use Nigeria NGN. So all I have to do is that I'll click on yes, I use more than a single currency. So I'll click yes as well. Then I'll come back to this. I'll select view more currency. So view more currency, then I'll locate Nigeria, which is Nigeria NGN. So okay, let's check Nigeria. Oh, okay, here is it. So then make it active and yes. All right, so then all I have to do is just to move to my payments. That is the next one. So I'll save this one. Okay. All right, the payments here. Under the payments, I want to uncheck this used on deposited fund. These actually occur when a payment or sales is being made, and automatically your QuickBooks account will record the money into undeposited fund account. But in this class, I don't want something like that. I want it to be recorded on my preferred financial bank. So now, as a matter of fact, I will now uncheck this use undeposited fund as a default deposit account. So I'll check that and then move to the next one, which will be my report and graph. That is the next one that I'm going to discuss in this class, report and graph. So I'll save this, and then here, when you look at this now, my preference, there is Hakua already. That is better. So then the next thing that I'm going to check here is under my preference. So I want it to refresh automatically. So I'll select refresh automatically. So now after that, I cannot click on OK. So now the program will reboot again. So it means that I have set all the preferences to suit the purpose of this training, which means that this will allow me to customize that application to fit our own training class. So that is it. Then set up an external accountant user. We don't need that. So I'll select, oh sorry, it seems I clicked yes, but it should be no. So all I have to do here is that I'll just use, so when you encounter this, all you have to do is that you say you sign in on your client's behalf. So I'll proceed then. All right. Okay, so go back to our home. So this is how to set your preference on QuickBooks Desktop. See you in the next section.